This is the Cyclone 2 from GameSir. It's a multi-platform wireless gaming control that can be connected via USB-C or Bluetooth with a little USB toggle that you can connect to your system. It can work with a Switch, a PC, Android, iOS. We're going to open it today. We're going to get this open today. I'm going to get it charged up. I'm going to be able to test it on a Switch and a PC. And I'm going to go over a few features. So let's check it out. Okay, first look, it feels really good in the hands. I like that it does have the back buttons here as well, as you can hear. Everything on it sounds really great. So first of all, they are using the TMR switches and they feel really solid. So you do have a couple of different modes you can switch between with your triggers. You do have a Hall effect and a trigger mode. All right, I'm gonna get this plugged in. Let's test this with the Switch first. So in the box with the game control, there is this instruction manual. Now in this, it will actually describe to you how to connect to your different systems. In this case with the Switch, all we're gonna do is hold down this home button and this button once we're in the configuration screen of your controller grips. So one of my first observations that I really like about this wireless control is the fact that previously I use a wired control. So it means I have to be in a certain distance from the console, but this actually allows me to step all the way back to my couch. Okay, so I'm gonna have a bit of a quick play on the game that I go to and play most, which is Mario Kart, and yeah, I'll give you my feedback in a second. Okay, right off the bat, it's super responsive. It was really comfortable to hold, and it does actually have a rumble feature as well. So the whole time I am feeling the rumble feature. Let's go test it on PC now. Okay, so now I'm by my mini PC, and I'm gonna connect it to this and test it out on a different game and kind of see how it feels, how it plays. And once again, I'm just really impressed with how comfortable this control actually sits in my hand and how responsive all the buttons are. So overall, I do think the Cyclone 2 is a fantastic wireless option for a gaming control. It's super comfortable, it really does sit in your hand perfect, and you don't really get those hand cramps, you're not stretching out too far. I do love the fact you have that customization with your toggles on the back here for that rapid click or that long click, and the fact you can actually switch that up whenever suits you best. All the controls are super responsive, feels really good. I love the grip on the actual handle itself, and the best part is the fact that it can actually be connected to multiple systems from like the Switch, your PC, and on top of that, what I actually really love is the fact you can connect it to your phone, your iOS system, and your Android. That makes this just a perfect portable little gaming control that you can take. It's really not that big, it fits in the palm of my hand. And on the fun side, of course, you do have LED lights and you can switch those out just to suit whatever vibe you're feeling. So if you are interested in the Cyclone 2, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Head on over there and grab one for yourself. Like, share this with a friend, and of course hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.